Hi there, I'm Jerry, and I was actually just sent this massive spool from V-Force Products. This is a 5-pound trimmer line. I've currently run an FS 90R for my still down here, and I'm going to be installing some of this on this aftermarket quick feed head on the end of this to show you all how this works. So to install this, this is some thick, tough stuff, let me tell you. We're going to go ahead and take this thing. We're going to undo however much you normally would do. I don't know, 15 feet or so worth trimmer line. However much you think that your head can hold. And then we're going to go ahead and trim that off. And then to install this, I'm simply going to slide it through here like this. Come on around here. I'm going to get this evenly distributed through here like this. And then we're just going to go ahead and get it twisted in there. Now you're going to have a little excess because I didn't get it quite even. But now once you're out there trimming, you just hit it on the ground and it'll expand that out and you're ready to cut.